This is a quick tutorial on how to basically log in to your team account and sync your um, Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar with your outward facing calendar, because you want basically when people to schedule with you to not conflict with any current appointments you have. And this will integrate. So what you want to do is you want to go to team login. Now in my case here, I think I forgot my password, but no biggie. I can just click forget password. It'll send me a link. Okay. I got link here. It'll automatically log me in. And then I can always change my password in here. Okay. Right here. Changing it now. Right. As a success. So once you log in, you want to sync. Right. I'm already synced, but you want to click this to sync your calendar. And then here is where we'll have your services already created. Okay. You could put your working hours that basically it will limit how much people can book with you here. So you're in full control of that. Days off. These are the days you're going to take off, like holidays and stuff like that. 9 to 18, that's 6 p.m. is when I'm available for working for this 15-minute. Okay. On Monday, I'm available. And then you could choose the calendars you're going to make yourself available for. You can uncheck. These are group calendars. So you can be part of groups. You can leave those groups. That way, if someone wants to meet with two people, but they want to see the availability you both have at the same time, that will sync it. Okay. So when they come to team calendar, they can see group capabilities. Okay. These are the services. We usually create those on the back end. And if you have paid services, we will put that in here too. All right. So you can manage all of that here. This will show you all of your events that you had booked for that people booked with you. Oh, actually, no, these are events you can create. Sorry about that. That people can actually book. This is where you can see your appointments that people booked with you. All right.